Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to create a playlist in your YouTube studio using your PC. So first of all, you head over to your channel. If you don't know the website or the link, just go to studio.youtube.com. This is it. Then you log in. Then now this is the dashboard. This is what you will see at first. So you can head over to create from here. You can be anywhere here or anywhere. So just go to create, and I'll teach you how to create playlists with AI, or how to write description for the playlist with AI. So you go to new playlist. So you can just write, for example, Nigerian sermons. So now what you do is that you highlight it and copy it. Then you go to ChatGPT, and this is the simple prompt I will give it. So I created a playlist on my YouTube channel tagged Nigerian sermons. So you tell it, help me write a short description. So if it fits what you are really doing, if you are the one typing it, you can just tell it what your playlist is about. So this is just a sample. So discover inspiring sermons from Nigerian pastors and ministers, and so on and so forth. Then you copy it, then you head back over to your YouTube channel, then you write your description. And do you want it to be public? Yes. And then you can begin adding videos. So I can add one videos. Best advantage of favor. This is a list of all the videos I've uploaded, or some of the videos I've uploaded on my channel. You can also go to this place to search for it. So click done. Now you go to create. So now when you head over to your content section here, just move over to playlist. Now you are seeing the playlist. The first playlist here is Apostle Michael Oroko with 28 videos. The second playlist here is Nigerian sermons. So thank you very much. I hope you've gotten something. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you feel this video have helped you. Thank you.